Hello, Andy.
Hello, Mr. Tommy.
Alright, let's get it started. Short A sound. A. The rat.
Rat.
Zack the rat.
Jack the rat.
Okay.
Jack.
Zack.
Jack.
Zack is a rat.
Rat has a beer. That's a beer.
Okay. Alright, say after me. Zack
Jack
is a rat.
is a rat.
Okay. So what? What happened next? Look at the Jack. Where is the Jack? Jack is sitting on a can. Jam. 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 Okay, let me see. Jack. Zack. Sat. On. Can. Look at the picture. Jack sat on a can because he wanted to have a delicious jam. A can of jam. What's happening? The can falls down to the floor and spilled out of the can of jam. Therefore, Jack is a little upset now. Wow. Let me try. And what's happening? Oh my gosh. Lots of, look at the line of ants. The ants ran to the jam, ran to the Jack's nose. Oops. Jam is covered over.
Oh my God.
Okay, the ants ran to the jam.
Jam.
Say, the ants
The ant
ran to
ran to
the jam. Good job. So, now try. The ants ran, alright, to the jam. And where is Jack? Hey, come on. Where is Jack? Jack?
Jack.
Oh, bam!
Holy
Holy moly!
moly.
And Jack had a fan. Jack had a fan. Good job. And at last, the ants ran and ran and ran. Yes. Now what? Jack had a nap. Jack had a good relax. All right.